In the world of American classics, few cars command as much respect as the Chevrolet Corvette. But when a shop like Kindig-It Design gets its hands on a C1 model, the result isn't just a Restomod, it's a masterpiece. The 1958 Chevrolet Corvette, built by Dave Kindig and his Salt Lake City team, redefines what it means to blend vintage beauty with modern performance. This car is not a copy or a tribute. It's a fully reimagined, ground-up build that took 2.5 years to complete, setting a new benchmark for high-end custom Corvettes. This particular Corvette first made waves at the 2024 SEMA Show, displayed prominently in the Borla Performance booth. In an event that showcases the world's best builders and automakers, being chosen for display in a major manufacturer's space means the craftsmanship must be flawless. Every curve, every reflection, every component had to meet the highest standard. This car did, and then some. The Kindig-It Corvette isn't about simply bolting on parts. Dave Kindig's philosophy is rooted in authored metalwork, reshaping, refining, and elevating a design until it becomes a seamless fusion of art and engineering. The 1958 body retains its iconic shape, but the execution is modern perfection. Painted in a tuxedo combination of Oxo-Nobel black ice with no-strings white coves, the finish looks deep enough to fall into. The chrome has been restored by Ogden Chrome, ensuring every piece gleams with precision. Even the removable hardtop fits like it came from the factory yesterday. Underneath, this Corvette rides on an Art Morrison Enterprises chassis equipped with independent suspension for superb handling. Braking comes from modern four-wheel discs with red calipers, while mirror-polished shot alloy wheels and Michelin tires complete the elegant yet aggressive stance. The exhaust, fittingly, is a Borla system, announcing its presence with authority but never overpowering refinement. Inside, the transformation continues. The cabin is a rich sea of custom red leather, complete with deep bucket seats, a Billet Specialties 3-spoke steering wheel, and Dakota Digital vintage-style gauges that blend old school with modern function. It's equipped with vintage air climate control, power windows, and Bluetooth audio, proving this Corvette isn't just built to sit in a collection, it's meant to be driven. Powering this showstopper is where things truly escalate. Gone is the original 283 cubic inch small block. In its place sits a Lingenfelter Eliminator LS7 V8, producing an incredible 644 horsepower at the rear wheels. That's more than double what the 1958 Corvette ever dreamed of. The LS7 features a Borla individual velocity stack intake setup with 8 polished chrome stacks, electronic throttle body injection, and a fully detailed engine bay signed by Dave Kindig himself. Mated to an automatic transmission and finished with Borla exhaust pipes, the sound and feel are pure modern muscle, cloaked in classic style. This build strikes a delicate balance. Too much modern flair, and it loses its identity as a C1 Corvette. Too much nostalgia, and it risks becoming a lifeless replica. Kindig-It's genius lies in finding the perfect middle ground, preserving the essence of the 1958 design while injecting it with 21st century power, reliability, and drivability. After wowing audiences at SEMA 2024, the Kindig-It 1958 Corvette went under the hammer in August 2025, selling for $280,000. That price isn't hype, it's validation from serious collectors that this build stands among the best in the world. The story continues, with the car set to make another appearance at Kissimmee 2026, further cementing its reputation as a legend in the making. This is more than a car. It's a statement of craftsmanship, innovation, and timeless design, the perfect example of how the past and present can coexist in flawless harmony.